a smooth bead B of mass 2 kg. So bead is there, okay. So
Yes.
if this is a bead, that means it is going through the string and there won't be any friction considered, right?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
So what will be the tensions on both the sides? Are they different or same? Tension on these two strings, will it be same or different?
Yes. Same.
It will be same, okay. So this, because this bead acts like a frictionless pulley, and then this angle here will be 20 degrees because alternate interior angles. This angle here will be 70 degrees, correct?
Yes.
Tension, let us call it as T. Both tensions will be equal, so let us represent them with single alphabet. P is acting on this side. Okay, so what are we supposed to find? A bit. Show that the tension in the strings is 33 newtons. So T we are supposed to find first. How to find T? Should we take sigma V or sigma H? If you take sigma H, then P will also come. No? P is unknown. T is also unknown.
Yes.
So two unknowns we will get. Is it possible to have a single unknown? If we take sigma vertical, P is horizontal, so it will not have any vertical component. So only one
Yes.
unknown, that is T, will be there here. So it's better to take vertical component. So now
Yes.
find all the components. Vertical component of upper T is T cos 20. Then vertical component of lower T is minus T cos 70. And then weight is minus 2g, correct?
Yes.
So this will not have any vertical component. This total should be 0. Now find the value of T. T will come out common. Cos 20 minus cos 70 equals 2g, correct? So tension T will be equal to, do the calculation. So this will be 2 into 9.81 divided by cos 20 minus cos 70. That gives us 32.83. Okay?
Yes.
In newtons. So first bit is solved. This is the answer to A bit. Next, what is he asking next? B bit. Calculate the value of P. Now for P, let's go with sigma H, the horizontal components. Take all the horizontal components. So P is acting right side. Then horizontal component of T is minus T sine 20. Then the lower T is minus T sine 70. 2g, this weight is vertical, it will not have any horizontal component. So now we can find the value of T. Send both the T's to the other side. Both will become positive. So 32.83 can be taken common into sine 20 plus sine 70, correct?
Yes.
42.08 newtons. So this gave us the value of B. Okay, any doubts here?
Yes.
Alright, so let's go with the next problem.